My name's Chef Egg, and I'm gonna show you how to slice and dice an apple. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is take our apple, we're gonna slice off just that bottom part of the apple and the top part so it doesn't roll around, all right? The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this apple, but we're gonna utilize our knife. So we're gonna start at the top, and we're gonna slice around just like this. Very carefully following that next line over. You can use a peeler for this, but if you have a really sharp knife, you don't have to wash an extra piece of equipment. So we're gonna slice this up, get that skin off. And just follow that last line that you cut. That looks really nice. All right. Now we're gonna flip this over, see if we have to clean up anything. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is slice this down the middle, flatten it out, and slice it one more time so we have 4 quarters. And now we wanna core the apple, take the seeds out of the middle. So we're gonna take our knife with a 45-degree angle and simply slice down and remove out the core just like that. So we will repeat the process with all of those apple slices. Very simple. You can have the apple as a snack, as a little appetizer, make some salad, some applesauce, all kinds of good stuff. There we go, that looks good. Now the next thing we're gonna do is slice up some apple. So if you've got kids at home and they just want a little snack, you can slice up the apple just like that. Move that over here. Get some slices, serve that with some